Corvette, you douche. Yeah, it is very, very cold right now. And the beard that I was growing for quarantine purposes, I have shaved off. And the cold air is hitting my naked skin of my jawline. Is it raining? I cannot tell. Is it raining? I can't tell if it's bugs on my visor or rain. Nah, there's no water on here. But no homo, man. It is cold in a mug. And this visor, even though it's anti-fog, is fogging up like a mug. And it is cold! But we are headed to the training grounds, man. We are headed to our beloved training grounds. And you know the cool thing about this place is that right now, this mug, it's Christmas time, alright? Tis the season to see all that booty everywhere at them Christmas parties, which aren't really going down because of the virus. But I digress. I like saying I digress. Makes me sound smart. No, but this, following this road, the training grounds is where you can actually get Christmas trees. Since a douche. Trying to cut everybody up into that weird cycle thingy. Douche. No, but everybody, the training grounds is where the Christmas tree forest thingy is located. Santa's workshop or whatever. So if you want to get Christmas trees, you got to come here. So a lot of people are coming here to get Christmas trees because it's gonna be Christmas soon. At this moment of me recording, it ain't Christmas, but very soon it's gonna be Christmas. All right. So a lot of people are gonna be buying trees and whatnot, all them goody goods. So that's the reason we're here, because there's gonna be a lot of traffic, man. It's a Saturday. It's gonna be a beautiful Saturday morning, or it is a beautiful Saturday morning. I am not dressed for success because it is cold in a bitch, and I'm wearing t-shirt underneath this, and this is perforated. I like P words, but perforated is not one of my favorite words right now. God, if you hate me, you're gonna go yellow. God, if you hate me, you finna go yellow. Thank you. It means, see, he loves me. See, Christmas tree. I'll point them out too. If my single brain cell is doing some work, some overtime today, I'll point the Christmas trees out in the forest where the Christmas tree happens. Speed kills, man. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I got Tupac stuck in my head. I'm suicidal thinking thoughts. Keep up, Corvette. He's behind me and he's tailgating me. Don't tailgate me, dog, like that, alright? You in a Corvette, you ain't no Lambo. Alright, man, this is absolute Lambos. Well, we got suicidal thinking thoughts. We got Tupac, man. It's not playing in my ears, but it's playing in my heart. That's the only place I need Tupac in. My heart. Ooh, it smells like green. It smells like nature, man. It smells like green flavored push pots. This Corvette, dog, you need to stop tailgating me, son. His middle finger is like cocked up and ready for me to show it to him. Hit you with the hot fast. Top dead. I think so. Oh yeah, all of this stuff was burnt. Oh, that's why it smells funky. That ain't nature, that's fire. All this stuff was burned during the wildfires. Did you guys see this? All black. Corvette, you douche. You try to cut up all these mugs, Christmas tree. You see all this? Everything burned. I can't let him do that to me. I'm not sure if this is okay to breathe in or not. Is it? I don't think this is, because it's burnt. I don't think this is okay to breathe in for me. You guys know I'm a sensitive one. Hit you with the hot fast. Top dead. Corvette's still stuck back there. I just found that to be really disrespectful the way he took me over. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. You know what? Let's just ride for a bit. Shout out to Corvette, but let's just ride for a bit, because I just want to enjoy the burntness. With the hot day. It's sad, man. I haven't been here since the wildfires. Oh my God. Are you guys looking at this? I know my GoPro's ass, but come on, man. Are you guys looking at this? Wait. How is all of this burnt, but the Christmas tree forest is not burnt? That don't make no sense. How did they survive and everyone else got burnt and turned? You see the whiteness everywhere? That's the stuff that the firefighters use to combat the fire, I believe. It's sad though, man. Corvette's popping up on us. It's sad though, look at it. This is the Christmas tree forest, by the way. Keep up, homie. He only pulls on the straights. See, we still got firefighters up here. Man, this is sad. Hot foot, move to the top there. You can't keep up. I'm not even going fast, man. You guys know in the beginning of the goddamn ride, I don't clown. What's the point of all that cutting if you can't keep up with me, homie? I'm sorry, I'm running out of breath because it is cold. You with that top bass, hot bass. You know what I really want to listen to? Is Lil Boosie. Push it, M. But not an M, but push it. Peer pressure, son. Only thing I'm scared about is that are the roads all cold and stuff? So is it wet? Like, I don't think my tire's gonna have that much traction. That's the only thing I'm scared about. It's an M, but it's not a true M. We got the Corvette behind us. I don't know how much you guys can see, but we got the Corvette behind us. Only can keep up with me when I'm stuck behind a car. Man, I am cold in a mug, man. I'm cold in a mug. We would have been enjoying the ride back there, but because of that Corvette, the way that it overtook us, I don't like that. I don't like that at all, man. It is cold, son. I got heated grips, but I don't want to use them just yet. I'm not gonna lie, it was hilarious. The Corvette tried to get in front of everyone, but another car coming on the other lane, so you had to bite that goose and say no. But I'm shivering. Oh, M series. That's a real M series. And the thing with this Corvette is they don't understand what personal space means. It's cool. Corvette dog, please, sir, stop tailgating me, man. I was gonna pull so hard right now and get in front of everyone, but not yet. Gonna ride though, man. Just look at old school, homie. Old school Lambo, right? Old school Lambo, I believe. I feel like this Corvette's angry. It's not only did I overtake it because he overtook me, but also because of that jazz of me, him not being able to keep up. So you got an M, what is it, 240i or something, in a Corvette. Puff some more weed. Creep to a low speed. And those lines are reversed, by the way. Oh god, what is it? A 240i. Oh, my nose is running too because the air coming out of this, the air coming in this helmet, or the wind is going straight up my nose. Making millions, homie. Top that. Give him that much. Yeah, he's too slow. It's cool though. He tried. I love him. I love him because of that nature. To try to go against a big dog like me. Oh my god. The willingness to have with someone like me. Oh my god, man. That's cool, man. Obviously you puffed out a Corvette real early.